Okay guys, we are at Deer Leap boat landing in Donovan, Missouri still.
On Current River.
On Current River. There it is. We'll come down here to the water and show you. Excuse me. There it is. There's some tracks of some sort over here. Coyote or mountain lion? Looks like mountain lion.
Do you see any claws?
Mm-hmm.
Then it's not a cat. Cat's claws were tracked. Unless they had them out for gripping purposes.
Okay. Looks like either a coyote or a mountain lion or
a dog.
Well, some of them. That one right there has claws, but this one right here does not. And that one doesn't. And that one doesn't. And that one doesn't.
There's no telling. The ones that don't are kind of roundy. They may be a cat track.
Mountain lion.
Or a bobcat.
Mountain lion or a bobcat.
Anywhere out in the woods, there's no telling.
Yeah. I want to see a bear. Why can't it just be a bear? Why can't it be a bear?
There are bears around.
But where?
I've just never seen one in person.
You've never seen a bear in person? I have. It was up in our woods. I thought it was a Sasquatch. Okay, we're
gonna go up here to the. We can overlook the river.
We're gonna go
This is just
up.
the access.
We're gonna go up there and we'll show you. That right there is just the boat landing part. Okay. Here it is. It's got a wooden fence right here. There it is. It's Current River.
Looks like it's still up a little bit.
From
all the rain.
Yeah. Oh no, it's about right. Maybe a little high. Well,
a lot of people come out here in tubes in the summertime. Get on rafts and kayaks and canoes, and then we've got boats. People come out to enjoy that, camp, and just have fun.
Some people fish. Not much people fish on this river, though.
They do through the week. It's just so crowded on the weekends that you have to go pretty early in the mornings.
Or go really far away or something.
Just go south.
South.
There's a lot of big fish in the river.
Oh, yeah. It goes all the way down there. Up there. Pretty neat river. I like it. Pretty.
Usually real clear. Real clear and real clean. That's why so many people come out and enjoy it. It's the same river that runs through Van Buren that was at.
Same river. If you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out.
You want to go to the bridge and see about walking along the river?
Yeah.
We can't get to it from here.
Yeah.
The access to the gravel bar that everybody goes to by vehicle to swim was closed, so we can't go down there today.
Yeah, we were going to go down there, but it's closed right now. I wonder why.
But we'll just go walk along underneath the bridge, some of them trails. Alright, we'll see you there.
Okay, we'll see you on our next stop. Now we are at the bridge. There's the bridge. And we gotta go down this here to get to the river first. It's much steeper than it probably looks on camera. I don't know. Don't really need to pay attention to the camera right now. But it's a lot steeper. And I feel like I'm gonna fall. Now we're getting flatter. There we go. Now we're flatter. Here's the water. This is another point of Current River. Under the bridge where we said we were gonna go. Another point in it. This part here, most of the time, is shallow, like way out there at this point. There's these little puddles of, what do you get? What do you get?
9 volts in there.
There is like little puddles of water. Through here. What is it?
9 volts.
Yeah. Hold on.
Go up there. This is just a slough.
Yeah, it's just a slough. Up here.
We're gonna walk up over here to the river part.
This way. Here. There's some more tracks right there. That has turned open. There's where we were at, over there. Now we're over here. Right here the water's really clear and clean.
Yeah. It's real swift here though.
Yeah, it's swift.
In this part of the river.
Yeah. I like it. We're gonna go up here and go probably over there, I think. I don't know, I'm just following Mom. Beautiful. So. Dang, the ground's like cracked up all like, see that, guys? Ground's cracked all in through here. This is really soft right here. See? I only weigh 70 pounds and I can step in that and it gets like right there. That drops off.
This went down some. You see where it was?
Yeah.
Up here where it's all wet down there.
Yeah.
And then dry up here. And the water's going down a little bit for now.
Yeah, right now though, the water was up here, as you can see, it went down. But when the flood happened, it was up over top of that bridge.
That was like 2 years ago.
Yeah, that was like 2 years ago.
Go further?
Yeah, we can go a little farther. Comment down below if you guys like to walk like down the sides of rivers and stuff. There's a crane down there or like something. There's a big bird of some sort. Get down through here. There we go. Here's a little body of water. Little. Now down here.
That's gonna be deeper than you think, buddy.
I know, this right here is probably pretty deep.
I'll go up over your boots.
Yeah. We'll go over yours?
Oh, I'm sure.
Yeah, our boots are about the same height, so yours might be a little taller than mine, but maybe we can get over there to that little gravel bar.
Hey,
What? Oh,
roll under up there.
Mom found an easier spot. Yeah, maybe. We kind of gotta go under this tree here. We had to go under all that just now. Here's some more of the water. It's a nice day today. I don't know how warm it is. Do you? I checked earlier and it said like 69. That's pretty warm for our area. At this time of year it is. This is sand. That right there is like ultra deep. That right there would probably go up to my chest. No. Probably up to my chest. About like right
All these
here.
trees,
Yeah.
where the big fish hang out.
Yeah.
Amongst all the trees.
Uh-huh.
Root wads. like out in
Root
the
wads,
middle there.
trees. Like out in the middle there with all those trees, that's where some of the bigger fish will hang out. Most of the bigger fish. That's where I hang out.
It looks like this is as far as we're going to be able to go.
Oh man. That sucks. Those are some little tracks. I don't know what they are. They look like coon tracks, but they don't have as much fingers as a coon. No, they're Chihuahua tracks. They're little dog tracks,
Maybe.
is what they look like. Oh. Track no nails. Dun dun dun. That's dirty water there. Ooh, that's really dirty water. Oh my gosh, my boots are getting heavy.
Over the mud.
I know, the mud is making my
River
boots
mud.
heavy. Rib mud. You don't like sit and just spin your foot like that on it. It's like ice, but for mud. And then it gets stuck to your boots, and then it gets really heavy. You don't like it. Another good skip and knock. 1, 2, 3. I almost did it. Okay. Now we're gonna head home. Now we are back at the bridge. We cut a lot of the walk back because you've already seen it. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification down at the bottom so you can get notified for whatever for
our next
all of our
adventures.
next adventures, videos, whatever we do.